Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 7th, 2025. And in this additional, I've already solved three puzzles: 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. This one will be number 9860. We have 140 puzzles to go. Then this will be the end. Yes. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 14 printed digits. Well, let me tell you, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle? For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. I don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Only one dual box. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright, next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? I see here one quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be 3, so the 3 is supposed to be here and the 1 and the 2 goes there. More quadra boxes? Nope. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? If you flip this, you will get the S. This is the S. If you rotate this to the right side, it's the same shape here. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Yeah, another one, the S construction. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. And that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright, the S or the Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes in this puzzle? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have more of these kinds. Oh, overlook this L shape. Yeah, we have another L shape upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here we have also one of this kind. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Okay. Here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box. So 3 and 4. But we already have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This box will be a 4. Is connected with that box. So 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 now. So this box should be a 3. Okay, and now I think this box will be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left and 5 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left and 5 in this area supposed to be there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. And now, let me see. Come on. This box can be 2, this box can be 1, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left on 3 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box. So 1 and 4, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 1 is connected with that box. So 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box, so 3 and 4. Then, let me see, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be there. 5, 5, okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then, yeah. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 in this area could be here, could be there. This box can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. This one is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I need a 2 in this Z construction. Well, this box can be 2, so 1 box left for this 2 in this Z construction should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Yeah, let me mark those 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 2 to 4, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. 3 or a 4, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Then, yeah, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And I need a 3 here, okay. Well, this box, wait. This box can be 2, this box can be 1. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 3. 1 box left in this S construction for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 in this area could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I need a 1 and a 2 here. Well, this box can it be a 1? We have a double 1 there. Could be a 2. Yeah, could be 2. Could be 2. I need to think here. 1. We have a 4 here. Okay, I need a 5 here. 5 could be everywhere. I need a 1 here also. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So if eliminated here, the 4. The 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this area for number 5. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. But also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there and a double 2. And this box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. Need a 2 here. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be in. The 3 goes there. Finished. In. Yeah. I believe not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a... Well, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. 40 minutes. Yeah. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.